Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you a Summoner's War hack. So this is going to give you unlimited stuff. So crystals are coming your way. So let me just turn on unlimited crystals right here just so you guys can see. So here's our values right now, nothing to talk about, but they should start increasing shortly. So let's see what happens on Summoner's War, guys. So let's see. All right, so yo, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if you guys do enjoy Summoner's War, you're going to enjoy a lot more with a mod. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com. On this site, I just want you guys to type in Summoner's War and then go ahead, press install. Now, before the mod downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, what it is you got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's loading up right now. So we'll just give it a second. So yeah, it shouldn't be that hard, but let's get down into the video. So as you can see, it is loading. So it's basically gonna say like missing files. You just need to download like 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game, so that's pretty simple. Then we have Travel Town, which says reach level 9. TikTok, down to run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys. It's pretty easy, but that's how I get Summoner's War modded version, unlimited crystals. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. This is super cool and it totally works. So if this tutorial works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it.